cake. Ooh, cookies, pie, cobbler. So many recipes, so many cookbooks, so little time.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is LouAnn and welcome to my kitchen. The coffees are brewing and you know there is some sweet iced tea in that ice box. Well, this next chicken recipe for the poultry recipe project, I'm doing a little bit different. The recipe says to broil. I am not broiling as I do all my baking and all that in a toaster oven. And I don't want to do that. I just don't. So let me turn the camera on. Let me show you what I'm doing. So the recipe called for only using 12 chicken wings. I'm using a whole package, 2.5 ounce, 2.5 pounds. Sorry, it was on sale. So I grabbed it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to put it in the oven while we mix up our sauce. Let this bake a little bit and then we're going to turn it over. I'm going to let it bake for about 10 minutes and then we're going to flip it over. And yeah, there may be some ice on there. It'll be alright, right? So I got a fourth cup of melted butter here. I'm going to go ahead and switch to a smaller spoon. Okay, I got a fourth a cup of melted butter here to this. I'm going to add a clove of minced garlic to this. And I'm going to add cumin and some hot peppers. Well, I'm using paprika. And we're going to add some water and some white vinegar. I don't know why it's blurry there. Going to mix this up. And this will be our sauce. We're going to be brushing it on. I use paprika instead of cayenne pepper. I could not find my cayenne pepper, but you use cayenne pepper or whatever you want to use. I'm using paprika. So